Hello everybody, welcome to my lesson. Today's lesson is about maximum minimum problem. I have a semicircle. This is a semicircle. The radius is A. A is a given number. I have a trapezoid inscribed in the semicircle. This is a trapezoid inscribed in the given semicircle. The question is, how do I draw the trapezoid so that the area is maximum? So this is a maximum minimum problem. I need some variables. Let me call the half of the top base, the top side, a variable x. So once I have this, I can write down the formula for the area of a trapezoid. The formula for the area is the top plus the bottom divided by 2, multiply the height. The top is 2 times x. The bottom is 2 times a. Two x plus 2a is top and bottom add together. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 and multiply the height. Let me call the height h. This is the area. X is a variable. Then h is also a variable. My area is expressed in terms of 2 variables, x and h. To maximize it, I need to do the derivative with respect to the variable and let the derivative equal to 0. But I have 2 variables. Therefore, I need to reduce the two variables into just one variable. That way, I can do the derivative. What is the relation between the two variables x and x? Let me draw another radius. Join the center of the semicircle to this corner of the trapezoid. This distance is, again, the radius A. Then I have a right triangle, so the relation between h and x is just the Pythagoras theorem. H squared plus x squared should equal to the hypotenuse squared. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Now I can do maximum minimum by doing the derivative with respect to the variable and let it be 0. The derivative of the area with respect to the variable x, I need to change the variable h into a function of variable x using the Pythagoras theorem. So the h is square root a squared minus x squared and take square root. This is by h. Once I have this, I have only one variable, then I can do the derivative. Look, 2, 2, 2, the 2 cancels out. So I have 2, 2, 2 cancels out. I have this left. Now I can do the derivative with respect to x. And this is a product rule, a product of this function multiply this function. Product rule. The derivative of this multiplies this. The derivative of this is the derivative of x is 1. The derivative of a is a given radius, which is a constant, so it's 0. So I only get 1. Multiply this part. Plus the derivative of this part multiply this. The derivative of this part is 1/2, which is exponent. 1/2 minus 1, which makes it negative 1/2, so it goes to the denominator. Chain rule multiplies the derivative of a squared minus x squared. The derivative of a squared is 0. The derivative of minus x squared is minus 2x. This part is the chain rule. So this whole thing is the derivative of this part, and by the product rule, I must multiply this bracket. So that's the product rule. And this is equal to 0. Let me get rid of the square root. So I multiply the whole thing by square root a squared minus x squared. So this gives me minus sign changes the plus to minus. The 2 here cancels the 2 here. Because I multiply the whole thing by the square root a squared minus x squared, so this part, this is gone, and I have x times x plus a. Oops, there is no x squared, sorry. So this is what I have. expand this, I have this. Collect terms, minus x squared, minus x squared, minus 2x squared. Multiply the whole thing by -1. Use the quadratic formula to find x. Minus b. b is a. Plus minus b squared minus 4ac. b is a. So b squared minus 4, a is 2, c is negative a squared. Negative negative makes positive. I have so this part is negative negative is positive. I have 2 times 4 is 8. So this is plus 8a squared. But I have a squared here. So a squared plus 8a squared is 9a squared. The denominator is 2a. 2 times a is 2. So it's 4. What is the square root of 9a squared? It is 3a. So I have minus a plus minus 3a divided by 4. So this is this. I use plus sign, I get one answer. I use negative sign, I get another answer. But my x cannot be negative. Therefore, the negative answer is rejected. So my answer should be using this plus sign. So minus a plus 3a is 2a. (2a) divided by 4 is half a. I reject the negative answer. I only want positive answer. So this is my x. X is half of a, half of the radius. I substitute half of a into my area. My maximum area is to substitute my answer for x. X is half of a. Half of a times 2 is a. So this is a, a plus 2a to my h is a squared minus x squared a squared minus x squared h is a squared minus x squared. So a squared minus x. X is a over 2 squared. Take square root. So what I have? Three a divided by 2, and here is 1 minus a quarter of a squared. So I have 1 minus a quarter is 3/4. So I have 3/4 a squared, square root of a squared is just a. So I have this. Now, 3 times root 3, 2 times root 4. Root 4 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So I have 3 root 3 over 4 a times a squared. So 3 So this is my final answer. 3 times root 3, 2 times 2, and a times a squared. So this is my maximum area. That's the final answer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next lesson.